So in this video, I decided to show you guys two different qualities of wood. As you can see, this violin is much nicer than this violin. So these instruments here are basically what you get online for, say, like $100. They're going to sound really nasally. They're not going to have a really nice pure tone. Definitely going to see a huge difference when a violin is actually handcrafted or hand carved, which is this one. It takes a long time to build a really nice quality violin. This one is factory made, this one's hand carved. So I don't even want to play this one as it's really nasally and it sounds terrible, but I will play this one for you. So this is actually my DAMIANO violin, which you can find at superiorviolins.com. I actually have a lot of people that purchase these from me over the years. They're really great quality violin. A lot of people that are like majoring in violin performance at many universities have tried these out and really liked them. They've even compared them to like violins in like the 15,000 range, and these ones are like really comparable as they're the best ones I've ever found. So here we go. I'm going to play something on the DAMIANO. So yeah, I break these in all the time for students, and they're just a really good quality violin. I'll show you guys again. So highly recommend the DAMIANO. And you can find these again on my website. Normally people don't actually buy them directly on the site because they're kind of expensive. But I do an in-home trial where you can get them for 30 days. And if you like them, you can keep them and set up, you just get them for free. We can set up a payment plan that will fit your needs. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys have a great day.